Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Tikitian Girl and today's video is going to be super fashionable. I am going to discuss all things related to fashion, how to be fashionable in a corporate life because corporate life should never be boring. Okay, so today we are going to discuss three parts. One, how to build a basic capsule wardrobe that will have all kinds of essentials, and basically you can pair every outfit, every top wear with every bottom wear. So we are going to discuss some staples, some basic essentials. Second one, what we are going to do is we are going to mix and match our wardrobe. We are going to style different top wears with different bottom wears and how basically everything looks and how we can be more fashionable in corporate life. And third is going to be my favorite, how to go from AM to PM, how to be from 9 to 5 girly, corporate girly to a party girl in just few minutes. So why do I stand? Let's get started quickly and I'll show how fashionable my wardrobe is. Let's get started. So girlies, let's start. Firstly, we are talking about something every corporate woman needs in a wardrobe. Basic workwear essentials that can be styled in endless ways. Trust me, with just a few pieces, you'll be able to mix and match like a pro. So let's start with the bottom wear essentials. The key to building a versatile wardrobe is 3 pair of trousers. And I promise, they'll cover all your work outfits. Firstly, grey trouser, which is perfect for those in-between days where you want to basically keep it neutral yet stylish. A classic black pair because, well, black goes with everything. And thirdly, a beige pair, which adds a lighter, softer vibe to your entire look. These 3 colors will work with almost any top in your wardrobe and it will give you that flexibility to create different looks all week round. Now let's move on to the top wear. You really don't need much to create a professional look. A black formal top is an absolute must. It's versatile and work with all the situations. Then you can go for a beige top, which adds an elegant neutral tone to an outfit. Next, you can add a blouse in any color of your choice to basically inject a little personality and variety. And finally, the timeless classic, a pure white formal shirt, because nothing says professional like a crisp white. To layer it up, you can also use a V-neck sweater to basically elevate your essentials. It can be in any color, black or grey, or like me, blue. It can basically elevate any outfit and you can look a little nerdy too. Now that we have the basics, let's talk about what makes these essentials so great. A mix and match. These few pieces alone can give you multiple outfit options. You can basically pair the black trousers with the white shirt one day, then the beige top with the grey trousers the next, or throw the V-neck sweater over a blouse for a layered look. Let me show you 1 second. So, for the first mix and match look, I'm starting with the classic combo. The white shirt paired with the black trousers. Add a little extra flair, I'm layering it with V-neck sweater and oh, it gives that perfect nerdy chic vibe. I'm absolutely loving this look. For accessories, I'm keeping it sleek with a white side bag that really ties the whole outfit together. And here's a fun option. If you're feeling more relaxed, you can leave the shirt untucked for a casual feel or basically tuck it in for a more polished, put together look. Either way, it looks very stylish and effortlessly nerdy. It's professional but playful, perfect for a day at the office or even a casual Fridays. Now for the next look, I'm keeping it basic yet stylish because sometimes simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. We all know that white and black looks super great, but let's switch it up. When you pair white and grey, it just screams professional and gives you off that super professional vibe. I'm styling the white shirt with these grey trousers and let me tell you, it's such a classic yet stylish combination. It's perfect for those days when you want to keep things sharp, clean and understated while making a statement. This outfit is minimal but says, I mean serious business, while still being incredibly chic. Okay, so next up, we are going for a look that's super modest yet incredibly chic. A full monochrome beige look. I've paired this beige top with beige trousers and just look at that chicness. It's so polished and elegant. I'm absolutely in love with how sleek and put together this outfit looks. To add a subtle pop of color and tie everything together, I've thrown on a brown belt. It's the perfect accent to break up that monochrome and add some dimension. And of course, I couldn't resist it pairing with a brown bag to complete the look. I mean, look at that. Wow. This is the perfect example of how simplicity can make a bold fashion statement. Also, this is all in just one capsule wardrobe part. Alright, next up, we are going for a sleek and minimal look. I'm pairing this gorgeous green blouse, and the standout feature here is the not me bow detail in front, which basically adds a little bit of elegance. To keep the focus on the blouse, I'm keeping everything else minimal with the classic black trousers. To tie the whole look together, I'm adding a matching green handbag for that perfect finishing touch. The balance of the bold blouse with the understated black pants really adds the blouse shine. Simply, yet so stylish. Alright, now let's come to the fun part, how to transition a look from AM to PM. Basically, how to take your 9 to 5 office outfit and turn it into something chic for like a dinner date or an evening out. For example, I've been wearing this white shirt and black trousers all day at work, but obviously I don't want to show up to dinner looking like I'm still in the office. So here's how I take it up a notch. I'm swapping the trousers for a pencil skirt, perfect for that sleek fitted look. Next, I'm adding a pair of silver heels to elevate the outfit. For accessories, I'm keeping it bold, but not too over the top. With some golden hoops and a statement bangle, it basically adds a little sparkle and personality. And to finish off the look, I'm going with a bold red lipstick for that extra pop of confidence. And of course, pairing it up with a maroon handbag for a rich, stylish touch. I mean, look at me. I look so good and super stylish. This is how you can effortlessly go from desk to dinner and make a statement. Alright guys, these were some tips, hacks and ideas that you can use to elevate your office style. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and feeling confident. Keep experimenting with your wardrobe and trying out new looks. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay stylish, stay confident. Bye!